This isn't just any full moon. This is February 2025's full moon, and it's packed with energy that can transform your life. It's not just about the cosmos, it's about you tapping into this powerful force. Are you ready to unlock its secrets? Let's dive in. Every full moon holds energy, but this one, it's different. February's full moon marks a turning point, an energetic gateway. With its alignment to key cosmic elements like Venus, Saturn, and the Pleiades star cluster, the universe is practically shouting, "Wake up, it's time to act." This alignment amplifies clarity, reflection, and transformation in ways we rarely experience. But here's the thing, this energy won't wait for you. It's here now, ready to shift your mindset, clear old emotional blocks, and supercharge your intentions. Let's talk about what this energy means for you. First, the full moon's alignment with Venus and Saturn. This duo demands honesty in your relationships, romantic, professional, even your relationship with yourself. If something's been feeling off, this is the time to face it and make it right. Then there's the Pleiades, known for unlocking higher wisdom. This alignment is your chance to connect with your soul's purpose. Dreams might feel vivid, signs might appear, and intuitive nudges could lead you toward breakthroughs. Pay attention. So, how can you make the most of this energy? Start with reflection. Take a moment to journal or meditate. Ask yourself, what am I ready to let go of? What do I want to invite into my life? Be honest. The energy of this moon isn't forgiving to hesitation. It rewards clarity and action. Next, set an intention. Whether it's healing a relationship, starting a new chapter in your career, or breaking a bad habit, write it down. Picture it. Feel it as if it's already happening. The universe will amplify what you focus on. This is a rare moment of alignment. The full moon's energy is calling you to rise, transform, and embrace your highest potential. Don't let it pass you by. Take that first step. Reflect, act, and trust the process. If this resonates with you, comment below. I'm ready for transformation. And if you want more insights on how to harness the universe's power, hit that subscribe button and join the Inner Flame community. Together, we'll light the way.